weather forecast 90% chance of rain. For once, it's true. Walk in the rain. The newspaper is getting wet. But who cares? Little bit of rain. Never killed anyone. No stuck. Keluar. Mana? Macam mana pi? Helikopter mari ambil. Ada kereta mari ambil. Helikopter. Hei. Nah, kasih. Gave him the newspaper. Ada payung ah? Puma streets. They are off today. The workers here. 3 days. Freeze-dried treats. There's codfish, there's chicken, and there's liver. Her favorites. Her favorites. Hey, what are you opening? 13A. He was looking for something to cover his head with. Give him the newspaper. Never mind. Please be informed that the office telephone line is currently not working. Morning.
Hello.
Come.
Thanks.
Welcome. You're 27, right?
27. Thank you.
Welcome.
A few days time I'll put at your gate.
Thank
I
you.
will cut and then distribute.
First thing you do, you go home, get out of the wet clothes.
Yes.
Do that first.
Yes, that's the first thing.
Have a hot drink, tea or something, warm your.
That's true, very true. We are not the young boys.
Yeah, and this rain is cold. It's cold, it's not the warm rain, so
Yeah,
don't take the risk.
it's true. Still busy with your tuition, huh?
Tuition
Very
only.
good.
Thank you. Bye. David. Yeah, the rain. Cold drops, not warm rain, so it's cold. David, a former chairman. I think I keep on repeating myself. I'm getting fed up of me. I go on saying the same thing. Aya. Your pain is better. She gave him the know what medicine. She said wait and see. If he's still constipated, then she'll let me know. But I don't know. I mean, it's not for me to say. He's already been constipated for a week. How long more you want to wait? I tried telling her. I'm gonna change as well. Stop, huh?